Graphic designing is visual communication used primarily to communicate ideas through visual concepts, ideas, and software to impress customers. It is basically a process of problem solving through the use of drawing, photography and typography. Graphic designers develop layouts and design brochures, wedding cards and marketing posters using graphic designing software. They create visual compositions using a variety of layouts and design techniques. The graphic design field is considered special for communicating through visual and design. The main applications used in graphic designing are logos and branding, editorial design, and communication design. A graphic designer is one who is professional in graphic designing and in the art industry who can combine images to create images, typography, images and designs. The main responsibility of graphic designers is to communicate visually through design, and they can present information in a memorable way. Graphic designers use a variety of designing software for typography, art, drawing, iconography and motion graphics. There are many graphic designing software available on the internet, through which graphic designers are able to manage their art and design. Adobe Photoshop is known worldwide as the best graphic designing software. It gives graphic designers an amazing platform by providing the best features like page layers, channel mixing, perspective correction, and color adjustment. This designing software is best for software professionals as well as beginners. It comes with the best options such as, 2. Remove the fault, crop, adjustment, rotating and flipping. Slide controls for color management, borders, 3D designing, raw photo, higher resolution support, mobile integration, tools of choice, cleanup, texture painting, background designing. Photoshop's GIMP is considered one of the best graphic design software. It is ideal not only for designers but also for photographers. Its tools make designers flexible in designing images. This software will also give you the best features. Being a competitive designing software in the market, it has strong support from the community. It also runs on OS, Windows and Linux. Here are some of GIMP's premium features: noise reduction, curves, filters, auto growth tool, coloring tools, imaging tools, ingredients, animation package. GIMP does not have all their comprehensive tools, but it is easy to use. It comes with a Windows Access. When graphic designers want to create logos, sketches, typography or videos for mobile, they use this popular software called Adobe Illustrator. Without a painter, designing can never be faster. You can create the best logos and icons using the best features of Adobe Illustrator. Surprisingly, what makes Painter the best for graphic designers is the Creative Cloud feature, which makes it an ideal software. The best features of Adobe Illustrator are Touch Type Tool, Access Adobe Property Access, Snap-on Pixel Capacity, Perfect Design, File Packaging, Color Change, CSS Tool, Templates and Presets. Adobe Illustrator costs more than other designing software, but it offers the best and premium features to the user.